Let's see how to add your another Yahoo account on Yahoo App by using your MacBook. If you haven't installed Yahoo, you can easily install that. So just enter to Safari and type Yahoo Mail, search and open Mail, and you need to click File if you see this page and Add to Dock and add. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail app will be installed like this. Now open that. I already signed in with one of my Yahoo Mail. Here you can see I already signed one of my Yahoo Mail account on this Yahoo app. To add another account, you need to click your profile. Here you can see add or switch accounts. Just click that and add account. Here enter your second Yahoo Mail address. So while typing, you need to type the entire email address with the domain yahoo.com. And make sure this option stays signed in or tick. And next, now enter the password, your Yahoo account password here. Then click on next and skip. That's it, it's added. If you turned on the two-step verification, use the mail option or phone number option to get a one-time password and enter the 6-digit one-time password on the next screen. Then you will see this page. Yeah, so it's added. I just click here and add or switch account. Here you can see the two Yahoo Mail accounts. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Yahoo, you need to watch this playlist.